got some happy mail. I got my May stickers from Planner Kate, and I want to set up my planner for May. I'm so excited. They're so pretty, and I seem to be sticking with the plants floral theming for 2026. They're these really pretty kind of coral flowers, very springy, really pretty, and I'm so happy to be back with Planner Kate. I went off grid with a different sticker for April, and while I like them because they're so pretty, they are not lift up and movable, so I had a really hard time with these stickers. I think these are, hold on, what are they called? They are the My Happy Place stickers. They're really, really pretty, but if you watch that video, which I'll link below, I had some problems with laying them down, and the sticker placement, the words and the design was off kilter on some of them for the holidays, so they were not evenly placed on the stickers. And as much as I'm not a total perfectionist, I'm kind of a perfectionist. It kind of bothered me. And I don't like the idea that I can't pick them up and like adjust them a little bit. And I had the same problem with the Laurel Denise, I think they're the banner stickers. They're just really sticky. And the pattern is beautiful, and I'm excited to use it for the month of April and check it out and see and give it a real good try. But as far as going to May, I went back to my tried and true Planner Kate to use her stickers, and I just really like them. I love her patterns. I love the way they fit. They make me happy. And so we are going to set up May together because I really want to get stuff put in there. We have a trip planned, and May is coming. It's 4 weeks away, and it's time. I wish I'd gotten these stickers sooner. And I think this week, usually the first week of the month, Planner Kate comes out with the next month's new stickers. So I'm filming this on the Saturday, what is today's date? It's the 28th of March. So hopefully this week her new stickers come out for June, and I'm gonna jump on it. I'm not gonna wait because I really like having more months, the month at least calendar set up in advance. And I was just a little slow with work and our trip to Egypt and all the things that I did not get ahead of myself with purchasing my stickers for May. So let's get those done together. I'm so excited because they're really pretty. So let's open them up. You can check them out and see what you think. These are what I got for May. And I love how they always send some little freebie stickers with the order. So I got these 3. And then I got the thin washi, which I like to use during the weeks. And this is new to me. I picked this May Highlights. This is with Plum 7/9 monthly dashboard, but I thought this could be kind of fun to try for a tracking, and maybe I would put this at the first week along the bottom, and then these circles for different things. And then they have some this month must do projects, memories, some dots. So I don't know. I just thought this could be something that I could try. And so this was new to me, this dashboard. These are the weekly horizontals that I use that are meant for the Nancy, but I am using them for the Kristy. And then I love this because I love the Hello May. This is a Plum 7/9 monthly from that kit, and this works right over here. So we'll put this one in. Then this is the header, and I use the Plum 7/9 for this for the Kristy. And I do love these, and that's why I get it. And I love that the little dates are there. This is a little shorter than the full width of or the depth of this header, but that doesn't bother me. I just wanted it to fit. And then I got this because I like the weekend and having extra washies and different boxes to use. And then I got the thicker washies like this. So I didn't actually get anything for the small rose in this order, but I am still waffling on the rose. So not sure what I'm going to do there. Maybe I'll just use the Laurel Denise stickers because I did get the stickers for the small rose with that. So that will be in another video for setting up the rose. But for now, I am just going to do the Kristy, and I didn't buy anything for, actually, I'm sorry, I didn't buy anything for May yet for the small rose. So let's set this up. Okay, so there I've made a mistake. I didn't realize this was so high up and I went too low on this. So this is where lifting up comes in handy. Now I'm hoping I can, yep, I can lift this up. And this is where I love Planner Kate, because that is adjustable. So now I just want to make sure this is high enough to cover. So it looks like it's like right around here. So that, oh, no, I need to go down just a little bit. Now it's curling, but that's fine. I'm gonna go like right around here, I think. That looks like about right. It's all kind of adjusting. So it's just a little bit more forgiving if you're with, yeah, that's better. That is better. See how that works? No. That is May set up with just the basics. I do need to go in and add in things like, you know, recycling and garbage and cleaners and things like that, bill pays and all that. And I realized when I was doing this that I actually did not go in and do April. So I'm going to go back and finish doing April, do May, and then these 2 months will be done so that I can, well, I mean, April is next week, so I'm a little tardy on this. And then this will be done. We are going away on a trip. We have a wedding Memorial Day weekend, and I found this really cute washi tape. I will link that for you. I just thought this was so fun with the little, you know, balloon and plane and map and all the things. I just thought this was really, really fun. And just like I did the one for Egypt, I have this one for Disney. We will be going to Disney in April, so I have this in here, and I need to add some stickers for that. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll show you what that looks like when it's finished. I added a few more things off camera. So April is much better now. Next week I have things in here, so that's great. And then May is set up. So happy about that. I did add a few little other things. I am going to get out my calendar as far as my digital calendar and compare notes to if there's anything that I have. I think I have a doctor's appointment that I need to put in here and a few things like that. So I'm gonna put that in here as well. So May is done, April is done, I will order June, and then I'll be right as rain because I will have 2 months out there hopefully soon. I am gonna look and see when Planner Kate's, I'll put that right here, when her next June is issued. I do like to look at the new things and see what is current in stock and choose between that. I seem to be picking the newer ones versus the older ones because I've been liking those designs. So there's that. And next I have to plan the next week, the first week in April. So that will be the next video that goes up. So if you're new here, please leave a comment. Let me know what you're using for May. What did you use for April? What are your favorite stickers for the Kristy? I am still gonna, I think, keep with Planner Kate just because I like being able to lift them off, and I love all her little just different stickers that work in my planner, and I'm so used to them now. They're my favorites. but I am willing to look at other ones and try other ones. And if you know of any that are lift off, I think that's what I really like as well. So thank you so much for being with me here today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video.